I'm Rogue. It's a good thing I'm here, so the floor's clean when your jaw hits it. My mission? Tackle the mess. Every day, like clockwork. So they don't have to. I don't back down when things get hairy. I tackle it head on. No, I'm not just a robot. I'm a smart vacuum that does it all. Agitation, brushing, suction. I let you create virtual boundaries to customize areas that are not mission critical. You're welcome. Yes, I live life on the edge, but I never cross it. Plus, I'm equipped with high-tech lasers to navigate your home and remember your floor plan, targeting areas even you forget. I'm the robot vacuum everyone wants to be. Did I mention I'm highly intelligent? No, I suppose I don't need to. A rice explosion? Not in my house. And if you think that's amazing, my determination is relentless. I'm what they call connected. And if voice control is what your heart desires, remember, it's pronounced Rogue. Hoover. Go rogue and clean differently.